Hi, I'm Vincent Manager, technical and training specialist for the Entrelec range of thermal blocks at T-Connectivity. Welcome to the fourth installment of our video series, which is dedicated to reviewing 7 key steps to optimize thermal block integration in the electrical panel. Today's video is a continuation of the previous discussion on the installation phase and will be a deep dive into the installation of accessories. This operation can be even more time-consuming than thermal blocks installation if users are not aware of new functions and designs available today. In this video, you will learn about the essential accessories such as jumpers, end stop, and section, and how to take advantages of the clever designs to increase efficiency during the installation phase. First, the plugging function. Many of our accessories are designed to be plugged into the thermal blocks. Let's see this on a jumpering system. Traditional jumpering solutions use screw-type jumpers which are installed in the center of the block, with each pole then being individually tightened. As you can see here, the SNK series jumper can be plugged into the thermal block by hand in one single operation. This saves up to 70% installation time for a 2-pole jumper, even more when using higher number of poles and compared to traditional screw-type jumper on the right. For even more time savings, the plugging function has been designed into other SNK series accessories, such as end stop, marker holders, test devices, component plugs, and markers. Furthermore, the jumpers, as well as plugs, markers, and test devices, are compatible with several thermal block families, such as screw clamp, PI spring, and pluggable technologies. This reducing the number of variants to keep in stock. Our plugging jumpers offer further other interesting characteristics such as availability of 2 to 50 pole options for reduced inventory, 1000 volt rating that doesn't require separators when installed, integrated pre-cut poles that can be removed by hand, and finally, the cut poles can be easily identified with a pen thanks to predefined shapes into the molding. Simply push your component into the screwless component holder to insert it in series with the circuit. Our parallel component plug allows insertion of components between two standard blocks without touching the wiring, a great feature for troubleshooting operations. Simply push it into the double central channels. Our isolated test device allows simple voltage testing when plugged into the central channel. For automation applications, protect signal integrating using plastic collars that connect the cable shield onto the connector. And finally, many accessories are rationalized to fit several blocks. On screw clamp range, uses one end section to fit many sizes, and on PI spring range, one circuit separator is common to 62 different thermal blocks. In conclusion, we can see that by using a few clever tricks and design options, you can reduce the accessory mounting time by up to 70% compared to standard solution and find great source of savings.